Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Oh, that's close. Too much bounce. Too much bounce. It nipped back. Oh, he's given him. Oh, no. That's a dreadful decision. That is a dreadful decision. He didn't play a shot. He allowed the ball to, well, I mean, the truth of the matter is I don't think he anticipated the movement back off the seam, but there was no way that was going to hit the stumps. That's his third duck. Have a look.
Well, he's given him. I don't think initially he got near it. I don't think Flintoff thinks he did either. But Doug Cowie has given it. Flintoff is cross, and we'll soon see who with.
Well, I mean, our initial reaction was he didn't get anywhere near the ball. I mean, like 2 or 3 inches. I mean, it's absolutely nowhere near the ball.
Oh, it's a leg break. A big appeal there, and I'm afraid Buckman's given it the finger. Hussain can't believe it. I wonder there, that's whether we've got a bit of a raw deal. I think he might have got a bit of bat on that.
Well, it's before the finger goes up.
Of course, the umpire doesn't have the benefit of this replay, but that's going to show us that it almost came off the middle of the bat. That's another very unjust decision to Nasser Hussain, and I think he knows it.
Just have a look at this, the change of the expression on the face. Total disbelief.
He's in trouble here. I think he's gone, and I think Sarwan knows it. This idea of not running for a misfield has been abandoned a long time ago. I think Zimbabwe here think they've got their man. Well, has he been given not out?
They haven't gone upstairs, I don't think, Faz. The umpires have not called for it. There was definitely an appeal, and I think they might be told, this is unbelievable. Unbelievable. There was an appeal. The question was asked by Zimbabwe. I think it's the umpire who did not go upstairs. And that is the thing about technology.
A little bit of swing to get the outside portion of the bat. That's when Adapadu come in handy.
Oh, it's gone to first slip. The bowler thinks he's got him. Justin Langer's turning around as if to say, well, what are you appealing for? Jaya Warden is the fieldsman. He thinks it's a regulation dismissal. And so does the bowler. Well, it certainly hit something to get through to the man at first slip. Justin Langer looked to me like he was leaving the ball alone. I get the feeling it's flicked the bat on the way up as he was trying to take the bat away. Difficult to tell in your follow through. There was a reaction from second slip worried me. Keeper's confident enough. Sangakkara there on the right, he's happy enough. That's 1 for none. The man on the left, the man at second slip's not all that sure. And it's that doubt means that Justin Langer has remained. And I'm with you, Ian Healy. I think that's a clear dismissal. Another one past the outside edge. Well, Langer survived. I'm not really sure how. Probably because of the reaction of the Sri Lankans.